morning, South Medford students. My name is Kenna Lujan.
And my name is Ruby Zamores.
And we are here with your Panther Morning News.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
AP testing continues this week. If you're testing online or from home, make sure you read the guidance sent to you, the email account you used to sign up for the test. Reach out to Ms. Bangmo with any questions.
Please stay tuned for your teacher walker and graduation session time, as well as your graduation practice time, which will be released later this week through your school Gmail and homeroom class.
Graduation walk is happening June 3rd for all Medford School District seniors.
Also, Baccalaureate is coming up on Thursday, June 3rd. It is an optional ceremony to celebrate seniors. If you're interested in the event, please click the link in the description for more information.
Seniors, remember May 28th is your final day of school, which is next week, Friday. Make sure to finish strong.
Students, please remember to turn in your library and book depository books for the end of the year. Book depository returns will go to the upper A hallway to ensure they are received.
If you need a little academic support, after-school tutoring is still available on Tuesdays and Thursdays each week. Here is a little bit more information.
Hi, I'm Mr. Johannes, and I teach World Studies here at South Medford High School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Shea, and I teach English here at South Medford High School. We wanted to take a minute to talk about our after-school tutoring program.
It's every Tuesday and Thursday from 4 to 6 p.m., and you get a little extra help or support with English, science, and social studies.
After-school tutoring happens in person in rooms A201 and 203. Please bring your charged Chromebook and any other materials you need for full support and success. Remember that getting a little extra support can make all the difference for your success this trimester.
To join after-school tutoring, simply reach out to one of our emails posted on the screen or contact your counselor. We look forward to working with you.
We look forward to working with you.
The Panther Performing Arts Company will premiere The Harboring Tales next week on May 27th at 6:30 p.m. using the web address on the screen.
Our event will show up under live events. After the stream is done, it will move over to on demand. The on demand is for people that could not make it to the live event.
The live stream will be available 15 minutes prior to the event start time.
Hey there, South. There's a career fair coming up on May 25th. This Start Your Career Now Rogue Valley Job Fair is sponsored by RWP and industry leaders. Juniors and especially seniors need facilitated career exposure, planning, and connections to high-wage, in-demand careers and jobs before leaving high school. This is your chance to get connected to organizations right here in the Rogue Valley. The Rogue Valley's highest wage, in-demand career sectors like healthcare, construction, childcare, ECE, transportation, tech, ICT, natural resources, and manufacturing opportunities will all be available right here on Tuesday, May 25th in the E-Courtyard.
You can pre-order a yearbook this week. Please click the link in the description and complete the order form today. You don't want to miss this yearbook.
Please stay tuned to future broadcasting and follow our school and district media sources posted on the screen to stay informed.
That's all we have for your news this week. We hope you enjoyed.
Remember to tune in for the next one, and as always, follow us on Instagram at SMHS_Pride.
And have a great rest of your day.